Hello everyone, my name is Piyush Sachdeva and welcome back to AZ900 with Piyush. This is video number 13 for the series, and in this particular video we're going to talk all about Azure Virtual Network Peering and virtual private networks with some cool animations. So you don't want to miss out on this particular video, and please watch the video till the end because we will be doing some knowledge checks for AZ900 sample exam questions. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So let's start with virtual network peering. Let's suppose you have three virtual networks, virtual network A, VNet B, and VNet C, with one default subnet in each of the VNets and virtual machines in each of them. So you have the resource deployed globally among multiple regions in different VNets. Azure Virtual Network Peering is a feature that allows you to connect two or more virtual networks in the same region or different regions. This feature enables virtual machines from different VNets communicate with each other over their private IP. This means that traffic is internal and never leaves the Microsoft barebone network, which makes it secure. This is particularly useful when you have different workloads that need to communicate with each other but are deployed in separate virtual networks. All the virtual machines inside these connected VNets behave as if they are on the same virtual network. Now let's have a look at virtual private networks. Let's suppose you have resources deployed inside an Azure network as well as on premises network, and you have to connect them via a secured encrypted network. In that case, you can use VPN. You deploy a service called VPN Gateway on the Azure side and a service called Local Network Gateway on your on premises. Now, using the public IP of your local gateway device, you can create an encrypted site to site IPsec tunnel. This is your VPN connection, which connects these two networks over the public internet but through an encrypted channel. Now, if you want to connect your users or clients to Azure through a secured channel, then you create a point to site VPN connection. Right, time for the knowledge checks. So feel free to take the screenshot of this page and this page and try to answer these questions. So these questions are from the video that we have learned so far. And if you find any difficulty in answering these, feel free to revisit the video and try to find the solution over there. Even after that, if you face any difficulties, let me know in the comment section and I will try to help you out as soon as possible. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something out of it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues so that they could also take advantage of this learning opportunity. If you have any comments, feedback, or suggestions for me, let me know in the comment section below and I'll try to respond as quickly as possible. So I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you very much for watching.